I keep seeing a common theme across the internet about Amazon influencers complaining about their commissions decreasing. Well, here's the reality. If you did what you always did, you'll get what you always got. And 99% of Amazon influencers are doing the same exact thing that they did last year and expecting better results this year. But here's a wake-up call. You have to adapt and adjust. The Amazon influence program has changed a little bit, but that doesn't mean that it's a massive opportunity. So in today's video, I want to give you guys 5 amazing strategies that are going to help you increase your commissions guaranteed. Let's get into it. All right, so if you're serious about increasing your Amazon influencer commissions, you're going to want to make sure to implement every single one of these 5 strategies, because my family and I, over the last year, I've done over 10,000 videos for the Amazon influencer program. And we have literally cracked the code on how you can guarantee an increase in commissions by following these steps. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and we're going to dive into my screen. And the first strategy is going to blow your guys' minds, because nobody is talking about this. Nobody even knows about this other than you that is watching this video right now. This tool is going to revolutionize the game of the Amazon influencer program. And this tool is called the Viral View Order History Scanner. What you can do is you can go to your Amazon Shopping Prime account and scan your entire order history. And what this tool will do is it will tell you what products have the most potential for you to review. So there's 2 key takeaways and 2 strategies that you're going to do. Let's first talk about for the beginner. If you guys are brand new to this program and you guys don't have but let's say 20 videos, you're going to want to get this, scan your entire shopping cart history, all of your orders. You'll scan your account, your mom's account, your brother's account, your sister's account, girlfriend, your boyfriend, all the accounts that you can. Scan them and find the best products that have the most potential. And for those that don't quite understand what products have potential and not, it's very simple. You want to find products that have open carousels and that are selling like hotcakes. And that's what this tool is going to help you identify. So you're going to scan the order history, and instead of wasting your time reviewing garbage products that don't sell, that don't even have a top carousel, might as well not waste your time on those products. Instead, focus on the products that have the most potential. So that's for the beginner. For the advanced Amazon influencer, you're going to, again, do the same exact thing, but identify products that you have missed. And for me, this is why this tool has been a game changer. I come over here to my order history, and you're going to hit refresh recent orders or refresh all orders. And what this will do is it will go in, scan your entire order history, basically put together a report. So you come over here to the Viral View Chrome extension, you hit product view, and right here are all of my orders that I have purchased on Amazon. And I have over 1,200, actually 1,172, I believe. So I have 1,100 products that I can choose from, that I can see, okay, where should I go and focus my time? Where am I going to be the most efficient? Where am I going to get the biggest ROI? And right here, these are the products that I want to go in and focus on. And like these products, I haven't even thought to review, like my rims on my car. We've got, I don't even know what these Sheck's Original Performance, I don't even know what these things are. I think it's a towel or something. We've got landscape staples or stakes. Like these things, I'm like, I didn't even think to review these products, yet I have them in my house because I purchased them. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to see what products I'm missing that I can go in and review. This is an absolute game changer, and what it's going to do is once you pull the entire order history, you can come over to the Viral View web app and come to the orders tab, and you can filter this out to whatever criteria you want. So if you have a specific way of, hey, this product has best potential because it's doing X number of sales, it only has a certain number of top carousel videos, it has X number of merchant videos, which in order to be on top carousel, the listing has to have a merchant video. So that's an important criteria. All of these things you can filter it out, and you can get a list of products for you to go and review. And then what you can do then is go to your mom's house, your dad's house, your brothers, your friends, and scan their order history. And instead of just guessing what products are the best to review, you can actually get data that backs it and know what products have the most potential. So this is an absolute game changer. And I'm telling you, if you guys are not implementing this strategy, you are leaving a ton of money on the table. And Viral View, the plans start at just $39. And at the top tier plan is going to be $79 per month, which you're going to understand that you're going to make 20, 30, 50x the cost of the software. And I actually have a special coupon code down below. You guys can use code AMZ Champions for 10% off. So again, using the order history scanner, being able to scan your entire Amazon Prime account and seeing what products have the most potential, that's pretty cool. And that is the first strategy that you're going to implement to increase your commissions, is find the best products to review, find products that you're not reviewing or you didn't think to review because you have them, you just didn't think about it. So that's the first tip. And the second strategy to increase your Amazon influencer commissions is doing what's called re-reviewing. This is a strategy that most people don't even know exists, and it's going to get more popular as the months go on. But the strategy is very simple. Find products that are performing well or that have good potential and re-review them and make multiple reviews per product. And what this is going to do is it's going to help you get on that coveted top carousel position. The more videos you post, the more chances you have to be on top carousel or bottom carousel or even both. And that is where you can dominate the Amazon influencer program and really skyrocket your commissions. But the question is, what videos should I re-review? And can you actually do this? And the answer is yes, you can re-review and make as many videos for one single product as you want. You just need to make the video different. So we're going to jump into my screen and we're going to be using ViralView to help us identify the products that we need to re-review. So this is the first ever, it's called the storefront scanner. So what you guys can do is you can go to your Amazon influencer storefront. So this is my storefront. I have 837 posts and I can actually go right here, click on product view, and it will scan my entire storefront and tell me my video placement and what potential these products actually have. So right here, this Baby Einstein's product. So I just had a boy and he loves his jumper and this thing is crushing it, doing almost $600,000 a month. And my video placement is in it neither. And so what I want to do is I want to take this product and I want to re-review it. I want to make 2, 3, 4, 5 videos on this product, because if I can go and get in that top carousel position and capitalize on even 1% of those sales, and I'm making 2% commission on $100, that's $2 commission. I'm going to be making money every single day by a simple just re-review. And I have this product sitting in my living room, so it's not going to require much extra effort. And my son is literally jumping in it every single day. So that product is not going to take but literally a minute or two for me to remake a video. And then right here, we've got this Smart Scale. They're crushing it. And right here, they're selling it for $40. I get 2% commission, 80 cents. So again, I make a simple re-review and I can go in and crush it. And there are product opportunity after product opportunity, and I need to go in and re-review. And this is going to be extremely powerful. And just by implementing this strategy, finding those products that have good potential and re-reviewing them where you're not in top or bottom carousel, you're going to get in that top carousel and boom, just like that, you're going to immediately increase your commissions. So the storefront scanner is an absolute game changer. You can see right here, as you scroll on the storefront, it gives you a complete breakdown. You've got the viral score, you've got the 30-day revenue, you've got the video placement, it breaks down the top and bottom carousel. And then you also have additional data points. There's like 25 different data points that you can go in and sort. So depending on what your criteria is, you can find the best products to re-review. And I'm telling you right now, this strategy is not super popular. Nobody really is talking about it, but it's going to be a common theme that people are going to start implementing. So you should start implementing it right now. So take advantage of ViralView, scan your storefront, find those product opportunities to re-review. And diving into tip number 3 to increase your commissions, it is marketplace expansion and diversifying your portfolio. And what I mean by this, there's 3 different ways to do this. Number 1, you're going to upload to other marketplaces such as Canada and the UK. Number 2, you're going to download your existing videos, repurpose them, and re-upload them. That is a form of re-reviewing, but doesn't maybe require actually having the product or making another video. And then the third is expanding to other platforms and marketplaces such as YouTube and TikTok. And I'll show you guys exactly what we're going to do. So we'll dive into my screen and you guys just saw me use the storefront scanner, ViralView scanning my storefront. As soon as you scan your storefront, what it will allow you to do is pull that data into the ViralView web app. And right here, you see this videos tab. You can see all of these products. You can see the thumbnail, the title, upload date, where I'm placed. And then there's this little button that says download video. And this is going to literally be game changer. And I know for me, I'm so excited about this feature because you can download videos that you've posted to your Amazon influencer storefront. I know you've been in the a situation where you have literally hundreds, maybe thousands of videos and it's taking up space on your phone or your laptop and you deleted them. You're like, I uploaded them, I don't need them anymore. But now with the concept of re-reviewing, uploading to other marketplaces and uploading them to other social platforms, you're like, I wish I had these files. Well, what you can do is go find, again, where I'm placed. So I'm in Neither. I could download this video and I could go in and re-edit it and re-upload it. I could download this video. I could upload it to the Canadian marketplace or the UK marketplace and get commissions, get multiple commissions from one video. Or you can download the video and then just post it to YouTube and TikTok and generate income that way. So by diversifying and branching out to other marketplaces, this is an underrated strategy, and it was a little difficult to do so because you do have to have these files. But with ViralView, you can literally download all of your videos that you have posted in the past, and then you can repurpose them, re-upload them to other marketplaces and other social networks. This is a game changer strategy. Go in and implement it. Again, ViralView, I'll put the link down below. You guys can get 10% off. This tool is a no-brainer, and it's going to really help you scale to that next level. And the fourth strategy to increase commissions is by optimizing your storefront and your videos. So there's a few ways to do this, and I want to first talk about the two main ways, and that is optimizing your title and optimizing your thumbnail. I have seen that a thumbnail is going to dramatically increase your click-through rate, and if people are clicking on your video and watching it, it's going to result in a commission. So you want to get as many people to click on your video, and the same goes for your title. If you can have a catchy, interesting title that gets people to be like, oh, I'm interested in this, or yes, I like this, I'm going to click on this. And if you can do the both of them together, that's where you're going to dominate those carousels. And we'll jump over here and I'll show you guys some additional strategies on basically how to find, hey, what's a good thumbnail? What's a good title? What are some things that I can do inside my Amazon influencer business? And it's using ViralView, and there's a little twist to this, and this is really, really cool. So right here, this is a camping chair that I found on Amazon, and I clicked on it and I saw that this Amazon influencer, Fit and Fancy Finds, has 2 videos on that top carousel. So I'm like, hey, she must know what she's doing. I want to learn from her. I want to get some insight to see, like, okay, what is she doing? Like, what can I be doing? So you're going to click on their storefront, and then you're going to go in and pull the ViralView storefront scanner, and you can spy on their storefront, and you can see exactly where they're ranking and how they're doing it and what's working and what's not working. So right here, you can see that it's pulling in the report, and as we scroll down, you can see that it has the complete breakdown, has the revenue, the video placement. So this video placement would be my storefront, but Storefront Spy is where this individual is ranked. So you can see on this particular product, they're in the top carousel, this one in the top, and as we scroll down, you're going to see they're in both bottom and top carousel quite a bit. So both bottom, both neither on that one. And the one thing that I'm seeing is their thumbnails and their basically videos are them holding a thumbs up and them smiling and them showing their faces. And I think that's extremely powerful. And I think that's one thing that you guys can optimize on your thumbnails is showing your face, showing a smile, giving a reason for people to click. Like I see this guy lounging in this chair and he's just like, yeah, good vibes, got the glasses on. Like he just gives me good vibes. So I'm going to click on that. So it doesn't mean that you need to have these fancy thumbnails with these crazy edits. It just means that you're thinking a little bit more than just, letting Amazon choose the thumbnail for you. And then you can also look at their titles and see what they're doing there. So I think that this is an underrated strategy, is going in and looking at your competition and seeing where they're ranking, what products they're reviewing, what they're doing with their thumbnails and all of that stuff. And right here, the storefront scanner with ViralView is going to allow you to spy on your competition, learn from others, implement it into your business, and that's going to help you increase your commissions. And the fifth and last way to increase your commissions is by having an Amazon influencer shopper mindset. What I mean by this is I'm sure just like me, we're addicted to shopping on Amazon. I seem like I'm buying something on Amazon every single day. I need something, whether it be laundry detergent, whether it be deodorant, whether it be shampoo, lotion, something for my baby, something for me, whatever it may be. We are buying stuff on Amazon constantly. So when you go to buy on Amazon, you want to strategically buy the best product. So if you're going to be spending money on this product anyways, we might might as well buy a product that has the most potential to review. And what I've seen is if you can do this properly, you can actually make the money back and essentially get the product for free. So I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So let's say I'm going on a camping trip and I'm going to be buying a camping chair, or I'm out and it's soccer season or football season and I need some chairs to go watch my kids play sports. So I'm gonna go buy a camping chair. What you do is you search it on Amazon and you pull up the Viral View Chrome extension and you come over here, top right hand corner, you can scroll through and you can see kind of, hey, this one is doing this much in revenue, this one has this many spots in top carousel, or you can come over here, pull up the product view extension and you can categorize it and you can see that the viral score over here, the ones in the green have the most potential. So like these sellers are absolutely crushing it, 100,000, and there's no influencer videos. Like there is a merchant video, but there is no top carousel influencer video. So if I'm going to spend money on a camping chair, well, this is one that I would probably want to look at. And there is a lot of them. So you can go find products that have wide open opportunity, that are selling an insane amount per month, that have no top carousel influencer videos, that has the merchant video. That's important. And we have that broken down right here. It shows the TCM is top carousel merchant. So all of these have at least one merchant video, but you can see top carousel influencer. There's some that have 0, there's some that has 1, there's some that have none. And those are the ones that you're going to want to buy. So changing your mindset and thinking Amazon influencer when you're buying stuff on Amazon, this is a game changer. And now when we buy stuff, my wife knows that before she buys anything, she needs to run it through me. I go do some research, make sure that we're buying the best product that has the most opportunity so that when I get it, I can review it and implement the other strategies that I mentioned earlier. So this is a fantastic way. Again, using the Viral View Chrome extension is a game changer, and you have all of the different filters right here. You can hover over the information icons to understand what they're talking about. And then right here, they have the little drop down right here, and you can add literally 25 plus data points right here that you can adjust. So looking at the seller, the category, the listing age, the 30-day revenue, all of that stuff to really understand, okay, does this have the best potential for me to buy to then review? So if you are going to be buying something on Amazon, you might as well double check it, use the Viral View extension, and make sure that the product has the most opportunity so that you can make your money back. So those are the 5 ways to increase commissions. Again, they work because we have implemented all of them and we are crushing it with the Amazon Influence Program, and I want you to crush it as well. So click the link down below, get signed up for Viral View. You guys are going to be blown away, and there's literally 20 plus other tools and features that you guys can use and implement with Viral View. And if you guys are interested, I can make additional tutorials on how to utilize it. But again, sign up with the link down below. Let me know if you guys have any questions when it comes to the Amazon Influence Program. This program has literally changed my entire family's life. Literally every single one of my family members is doing this program. We actually have 2 siblings, my sister and then my brother-in-law and sister-in-law are doing this full time. This is their full-time job, is the Amazon Influencer Program. And the only way that you can make it a full-time gig is by implementing these strategies, adapting and adjusting and doing things that you haven't done before. And utilizing Viral View is an absolute game changer. So again, make sure to take advantage of it. If you guys enjoyed, subscribe, like the video, drop a comment. We have a ton of content on the channel to help you go and make a bunch of money online with the Amazon Influencer Program. Again, let me know in the comments down below what you want to see, and we will see you in the next one.